Hi, I'm Manuel Pinto.
Hi, I'm Jean-Luc Bernard.
And my name is François Darmon. We're from Team ATS from Montreal. First, when Rockwell contacted us for this project, we received some information about the operating block, but a lot of the information we had was missing. So we had to get on the field and meet professionals and get all our information from several sources: doctors, engineers, architects, and a lot of people in our surrounding. Rockwell has been really helpful in the project, but on our side, a lot of hard work needed to be done. So the way we approach the problem is trying to use all the most recent technology, lean healthcare, and especially using all the arena software to a maximum. So we try to really push the limit of the software, especially in the 3D field. Once our program was really optimized, we managed to really give one of the best edge technology 3D presentation. So my team and I are really happy to be here, and we're hoping to do really well in this competition and show how much our research give us, and I think we're ready for this.
Well, the way we did it is in percent. So it's in percent. So right now I think it's 70% is going to be minor, and 30% is going to be major. So by doing this, what we can do is in this model, since we don't have that information, I was speaking, we need better metrics to really get the system to be even better over time. But right now, by inserting these models, we're just able to ourselves control these parameters directly from our Excel and be able to see what would happen if in this hospital it's 40% major cases. That means more operation time, more cost. So we can really play with these numbers around. So we went to that digit because we were just basing ourselves on the doctor's recommendation we got.
And how do you hope that this helps you in starting your professional career?
Well, we really had a lot of work to do on our side, so pretty much it allowed us to see a brand new field, which is all the hospital field. And we realized how much we can do in the business, because as soon as you start working on the project, you realize that there's so many ways to make things better in the different departments. So really we have our place, and this project realized to show us how powerful we're equipped and the tools we have, they can make a really big difference in our surrounding.
Alright, hello. My name is Elaine Umeimo. I'm from Morocco, from the National School of Applied Sciences in Tidor, and I'm an engineer in logistics and transport. The project for this year was about simulating a operating rooms department in the Allen Bradley Hospital. The purpose of this simulation project is about to evaluate the level of efficiency in the current system and locate any bottlenecks in this system. So we try to evaluate this efficiency level, the productivity and the service level that the hospital wants to deliver to its customers. So we did the simulation, we identify the bottlenecks, and we try to find solutions that are convenient with the amount to invest and the quality level to achieve.
Because the results show that the main important waiting times are related to the lack of this resource. And if results experiments show also that at least 8 SES beds are necessary to make waiting times reasonable. So depending on the amount to invest by the Allen Bradley, we can add 1 sister room NYOR. But we can decide about the best solution. And this, we have the agreement of the decision makers of the Allen Bradley Hospital. The agreement about the trade-off between the amount to invest and the level of quality service to achieve. And as you know, money is worthless if we don't use it to save people's lives.
Personally, I've never worked on such a big project, so it's a realistic project. I learned a lot of things about simulation, about arena that I didn't know before. So it will help me to know in future how to simulate, how to model such a big project.
Hello, we are Team Kudos.
Hello, I'm Jong-Soo-han. I'm Jiun Ryu. I'm Tae-Sung Kim. Today's topic is how to improve peri-operative services department of Alumni Hospital. And that's okay.
Tell me a little bit then about your solution. How did you solve the problem?
We have before our project, we have studied the present condition of medical market, and we know that current medical market is intensified. So to sustain intensified competition, hospitals also have to make profit. So our objective is to maximize profit, and we maximize how to maximize revenue. We study how to maximize revenue and how to minimize cost. So we achieve to maximize profit.
We are going to explain the customer analysis. Our patient who comes to peri-operative services department are operation patient. In this kind of following paper, operation patient have a lot of stress. For example, they have a fear of operation and anxiety of anesthesia and worry of payment and distress of pain. Also, distress causes physical problems such as insomnia, rise of blood pressure, negative impact on recovery period, and increasing pain. Distress tends to accumulate until operation. So it is an important factor for service quality to reduce the less time from hospital arrival until operation.